Hey Rose, how are you doing?
Good.
Guess what I have here?
What?
I have a special box from Amazon. This came from our friends at the store. So you want to see what's inside? Okay, let's take a look at what's inside. That's right, Rose. We got the RC Stunt Dog. What do you think?
Yay!
So let's unbox it for the people and show them what's inside.
Okay.
So put it back down on the table and Papa will open it up. Okay, so let me get our scissors here.
Okay,
And we will pop the factory seal. Okay, before we open it up, let's take a look at the packaging here. It says Stunt Dog Programming Stunt Smart Dog. And it looks like he can stand on his hands, lay down. Intelligent robot dog. So that's all the packaging. It says it's got speech control, it can sing, it can do stunts, and programming. So let's open it up, Rose, and see how it comes packaged.
Okay, Papa.
Alright, so we've got it open. We'll take a look inside, and it looks like we have it upside down, but there's the controller. So here, Rose, you want to try to pull it out? Grab it from right there. There you go. Oh, don't drop it on the floor. Good job. Okay, now let's open up that part.
My stunt dog.
Yeah, and there's the Stunt Dog. And it has its little USB charger right here. It looks like it's got a screwdriver for the battery area. If it's anything like her toy dinosaur over here, her RC dinosaur, you probably have to unscrew it to charge it. There's its on button there. And here is its controller. So Rose and I will charge it up and we will give you a little run and review of it as well. Now that you've seen its unboxing.
Urban Gardener. He can move his ears.
Yes, he can. I can't wait to turn him on, Rose, and see what he does because we know how much you love the dinosaur. So after we got the dog out and we got the controller, there is some instructions inside the box. It's a very simple one-page manual here. So it won't take you very long to go through it, that's for sure. And tells you everything there is. And it looks like it's even got a voice control, so. So with that, guys, we will leave a link in the description. We'll see you next time.